Cue the surprise. Vikings, known for their seafaring prowess, had a secret weapon. Pigeons. Yes, you heard it right. Not just any pigeons, but trained ones, their very own feathered GPS. These birds were conditioned to fly home, dropping feathers along their path, serving as a breadcrumb trail for the Viking ship to follow. Picture this, a burly Viking, battle axe in hand, shouting to his crew, "Unleash the carrier pigeons, my brethren! A feast awaits us at home." It's an amusing mental image, isn't it? That's your fun fact for today. Push that like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share this nugget of history. Stay curious, stay informed.